Hi guys, this is Mr. Smith, and we're doing another Taito ecology unit. We've already talked a little bit about certain biomes, and so we're gonna get started. So, believe what we voted on was the Alaskan Tundra with the polar bears and whatnot. So, description: the Alaskan Tundra is a harsh biome with short summers and long freezing winters. Most plants grow very low to the ground to withstand high winds, and many animals have white coats to blend in with snow during the wintertime. Despite its unforgiving climate, Alaska is still home to a wide variety of flora and fauna. So, we're going to turn the tutorial off because you guys know your stuff, and I'm going to quiz you a little bit. So here we go. Welcome to your new biodome. Type name here. Room 210. Name is taken. I did that already. You should give it a new name. Room 210 Tundra. There we go. Did that work? Hey, there we go. Oh, we ran out of space. Alright, so let's look at what we got. We start out, it's pretty barren. So this is ice. I gotta remember the controls. So that's zoom. Okay. Okay, so that works. Alright, so it says, geez, it says no life. Are they talking about me or are they talking about the biodome? I'm just kidding. I don't have much of a life, I'm gonna be honest with you. So anyways, so we're gonna get started. So guys, what do we need to do first? Because we don't have anything at all. So talk about what we need to do first, and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so we need to have some producers because we need to have some plant life in order for the herbivores to eat. So, this is called diamond leaf willow. So these aren't things that we would see in our area. So how do I do this? I forget. Oh, okay, it's letting me place them. Bam. All right. Oh, they're tiny. Let's look closer. That's not big. Look at that. I wonder if it grows bigger than that. Alright, so let's place some more. Oh, I have to hit place every time, don't I? Well, that's annoying. Alright. Okay. Hello, hang on. Alright, so we placed some diamond leaf willow. It looks like we can unlock something. So let's unlock. We have 1,400. Ooh, look, green thumb tundra. Gardening is fun. You'll need a lot to support moose. Ooh, we can have moose. Alright, so let's get rewards. Did we get our reward? I don't know. Okay, so let's do another. We don't want to have just one thing. So let's put some cotton grass in too. Hello. Oh, we have to unlock it. I forgot. I'm sorry. Be nice to me. It's been a while. We'll place that. We'll place some cotton grass. Just a little bit. Alright. So that's a little bit of a start. Let's see if there's bigger things. It said most things were close to the ground. Ooh, look at the white spruce. We could actually unlock this right away because we have this many points from playing before. But I don't want to start out with something that big. So we have diamond leaf willow and cotton grass. So guys, we need these plants to grow. So does anyone remember what we need to make plants grow and multiply? Because there is something we need to do. Anybody? These are some cute animals, by the way. Are you noticing these animals? So we need to have some pollinators. So let's unlock some pollinators. It looks like we have the Arctic bumblebee as a pollinator. Is there anything else, or is that it? That might be it. Look at the big polar bear. He's cute. All right, so I think the only pollinator we can do is the Arctic bumblebee. So, right? Okay. So we're going to do that. I'm going to do that even before spend 50p. Yes, we want to spend it. So we're going to place these, and I'm going to let it go for a while and see what happens with our plant life. So we're going to place them here. And place them where we have our plants. Okay. So it doesn't look like much yet, guys, does it? This is all we have so far. Is pollinated. Plant is always flowering. Okay. Are we... Wow. So that was pretty quick, guys. We put those bees in, Arctic bumblebees, and they pollinated stuff right away. "19 weeks until pollination is needed." All right, you survived a week. It's not easy to do sometimes. All right, guys, I'm gonna let this play and sort of stop recording and then come back to it after a while, and we'll see what happens. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. So before we look at our biodome, it doesn't look a lot different. I'll tell you that right now. Before we look at our biodome, I wanted to look at the two plants we added. We did the diamond leaf willow, and the diamond leaf willows are an important component in the diets of many grazing animals. That means they eat stuff off the ground. Caribou rely on its nutrients to sustain themselves during the harsh tundra winters, and Arctic hare, which is like a bunny, eat willow almost exclusively throughout the year. So, other uses. Humans have used diamond leaf willow twigs for basket weaving. Notes. Diamond leaf willow has a tremendously high concentration of vitamin C and A. This is partly why animals rely on it for nutrition. That and the fact that one can't be too picky in the tundra. There aren't a lot of options in the tundra. So let's see. We also did cotton grass. So let's look at what cotton grass is. So... Oh, cotton grass is gonna multiply really quickly. See how this is full? So, food uses. Caribou and other grazing animals commonly eat cotton grass. Other uses. The tufts from the cotton grass can be used to insulate animal nests and burrows. Notes. Humans have used cotton grass for many things. The white tufts that grow on the ends of stalks have been used as wicks for lamps, as well as bandages, pillows, and even diaper filling for infants. So, that's interesting. So, anyways, we talked about this, these are producers, which means they make energy on their own. They do not need to eat other things. There are very few plants that eat other things. Yes, you guys did bring up that there is something called the Venus flytrap, which does eat bugs, but for the most part, plants do not need to eat anything. So guys, how is it that plants make energy without eating? Think about that for a minute, and then we'll talk about it. So hopefully one or two of you remembered the word photosynthesis. Plants and producers like plants are producers, use the sun's energy to make their own energy. So they take energy, they take the nutrients from the soil and the sunlight, and they make their own energy. So it's pretty cool. So that is how an ecosystem starts. That's why we always start by putting in producers, putting in plants. So let's go back here. So you can see things are growing a little bit. Oh, look, we're earning income. So we didn't put much in here. So anyways, zone is unlocked. So I think one of these is a new clump of, what is this again? Diamond leaf willow. Although that takes longer to flower. These I'm pretty sure there were just 4 in a clump. So there's a lot more of these. These flower all the time, so they will reproduce faster. And they are pollinated because we have our little pollinators working in our environment. So we're gonna add something. Now, it's a little early. We're only going to add a few of these. We're going to add the Arctic ground squirrel, because that is the one that's unlocked first. So, if we look at the Arctic ground squirrel, can we look at his biodex? I'm going to look at the biodex before I place it. Alright, Arctic ground squirrel. Let's do this. Where is it? Let's close this. Arctic bio squirrel. Nope, that's not what I want. I can do it. Arctic bio squirrel. Okay. Arctic ground squirrel. Sorry, I had it wrong. So this is what we're adding first. Foragers at heart, Arctic ground squirrels eat plants, invertebrates, eggs, birds, and carrion. When pressed, they will even eat small rodents like lemmings. The majority of their diet consists of plant matter. So they mostly eat plants, but they are not completely herbivores, because you can see they do eat birds, and they eat carrion, which is dead animals meat that's like rotting. Predators. Predators of the Arctic ground squirrel include lynxes, coyotes, foxes, wolves, grizzly bears, owls, and falcons. Notes: while foraging, Arctic ground squirrels frequently sit or stand up to check their surroundings for lurking predators. Okay, so we're going to place the Arctic ground squirrel in our environment. So before we do this, guys, how will this affect things? If you said that the Arctic ground squirrel is going to eat some of the plants, you are correct. So we may need to add more pollinators, or we need to just add more plants. Okay, so we're gonna place this, and let's take a closer look. Let's see where they are. They're so cute. I'm sure everything in here is really small, so we have to really zoom in. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. They're going for stuff to eat already. Oh, and just like it said, they're standing up on their hind legs, looking around, seeing if there's predators. Oh, look, they're going to chew on stuff. Wow, so they're not fooling around. They went right to the plants. They went right to the food, huh? Reminds me of some of you guys going right for the food, talking about the food. Anyways, so it looks like half of them went one way and half of them went the other. All right, so we have some decisions to make, guys. So I'm gonna let you guys pick the next thing we put in. So I would like to do, I don't want to kill these guys off just yet. I'd like to let them reproduce a little bit. So we need to do two things. I want to add another plant. So our choices for next time, are we going to add the field horsetail or the pasque flower? So we're going to discuss that today, and we'll figure out, and I'll add it for the next video. So let's look at what the field horsetail says. Field horsetail. So that's Hey, I got more stuff. Yay. So grazing animals like moose will readily eat horsetail. Other uses. Field horsetail buds are eaten in some countries. Notes: some species of horsetail are poisonous, though this species is edible. So this is not poisonous. Okay, and what's the other option I gave you? I think it was something pasque. Oh, the pasque flower. Okay, so let's see what the pasque flower is. So we have to go down to the letter P. Pasque flower. Doll, sheep, and other herbivores will consume pasque flowers. Other uses. Humans have used extracts from the pasque flower to treat cataracts. A cataract is a cloudy spot on the eye. Left untreated, it can cause partial or full blindness. Oh, that's bad. Notes: some insects will actually rest on flowers in the tundra for extended periods of time because the flower's color absorbs sunlight and helps the insect to warm itself. That is very interesting. All right, so guys, we're going to vote on what we're going to add, the field horsetail or the pasque flower. Okay, guys, so that is our first episode. I'm going to let this run a little bit and see what happens. I really think, yeah, look, we got new stuff already. We got, keep landing on the squirrel, and I'm trying to click the plants. We have new plants here, trust me, they are growing. It just takes a while. So, anyways, That's going to do it for this science lesson, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Remember, we planted some producers so they can use photosynthesis and create energy for our ecosystem. And we placed some pollinators so that we could have some plant growth. Ooh, I like how they buzz. And then we also, look how cute they are. We also placed some Arctic ground squirrels, and they have something to eat. So we'll have to watch if these Arctic ground squirrels eat all the plants, which they might. We might have to put some more in. Oh my God, I think it's spreading. Look at this. Yeah, it's spread. That's awesome. Yeah, see, 94 weeks until maturity. So we are getting the plant life to spread using our pollinators. So guys, anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.